Most people today live very busy lives. In between studying, working, looking after a family, and trying to exercise occasionally, there's not much time left for hobbies or relaxing. Do you have any free time? How do you spend it? Do you go out with friends? Do you do sports? Or do you recharge your batteries at home? But imagine, what if you had a bit more free time? How would you spend it? Would you try new activities like mountain biking or wall climbing? Or maybe you would prefer to improve your mental fitness and memory. How about learning how to paint? Or learning another language? If you had more free time, what would you do?
Well, if I had more free time, I think I would travel more, discover different countries, more different places, and get to know people from different cultures.
I think I would relax a little bit more, stay at home, just sit on the couch, watch a little bit TV.
If I had more free time, I would like to draw a lot more and paint a lot more.
I'd probably spend more time with my friends, or I'd go to the cinema, or I don't know, just hang out more.
If I had no responsibilities or money worries, I would go to the beach and not think about anything.
I'd just spend more time doing what I enjoy, so I'd probably play a lot more football.
Well, if I had more free time, I would definitely travel much more around the world and just explore more places because there's so much to see around the world. So that's how I would make use of my free time.
Do you like your job? Is there any other job that you would prefer to do? Danielle is a wedding planner. She helps people plan the best day of their lives, making sure they've picked the perfect location, music, food, and beautiful decorations for their big event. Would you like to be a wedding planner? You'd need to be good with people and be very patient. You'd have to have good problem solving and negotiation skills to create the perfect wedding day for someone. Does this sound like you? If being a wedding planner isn't to your liking and you enjoy working outside, you might enjoy being a farmer or an outdoor activity instructor.
Press the back, squeeze the front, and do it.
Working outdoors can reduce your stress, so you will feel more relaxed and happy. Just think about all that fresh air, sunshine, and a light breeze. It would be great to work outside in the summer, but would you enjoy it in the snow and rain too? Have you ever dreamed about being able to save lives? It takes a very long time to become a doctor, but it's a very rewarding career. You'd have to work long hours, but you'd get to work with amazing people, and the pay's quite good too. If you could do any job, what would you do?
If I could do any job, I would be a dog walker.
I'd be a writer.
I probably would want a job within hotel management.
If I could do any job in the world, I would be a paleontologist.
To be honest, I keep doing what I'm doing. I love what I'm doing.
If I could do any job, I would be a family lawyer.
Probably the one that I currently do. I'm a very lucky man. I'm a professor and I love doing that. If I could do any job, I'd be a teacher because it's the best job in the world.
It's nice to think that all your problems would be solved if you just had a little bit more money. Money probably wouldn't make you happy, but it would make your life just a bit easier. You wouldn't have to worry about paying your rent or your bills. And you could go on holiday wherever you wanted to. A beach in Brazil, a ski resort in Chile, or a spa in Iceland. You could also choose to make other people's lives easier by donating some money to charity or research or doing some volunteering. If you had more money, would you use it to buy things? The latest gadgets, a fast car, or maybe a new apartment or a bigger house? Or would you prefer to travel more? What would you do if you had more money?
I think I would go back home to visit my family because unfortunately since I came here to university I've only had the chance to see them twice a year. So I think I would like to go home and spend more quality time with my family, definitely.
If I had more money, I would travel the world.
I would buy a house, yeah. If I had more money, I would travel more. I think that's my passion in life.
I think I would try to enjoy life a little bit more leisure time, more traveling, seeing the world.
I would quit my job.
If I had more money, I would buy more clothes.
Probably the same things I do anyway. Spend time with friends, go running, read, enjoy life.
If I had more money, I would not worry and I would just spend what I wanted when I wanted, and I'd go travelling all the time.
Buy a house, buy a car, and maybe give more to charity. Yeah.
If I had more money, I would like to travel as much as possible to as many places as possible.